Hi guys, I'm Julianne with Keto Cooking Christian, and what I'm making for you today is a fun and festive treat that's perfect for the holidays. It's my keto-friendly copycat version of Chick-fil-A's Peppermint Chip Milkshake. It's so delicious and super easy to make, and let me show you how to do it. We start with 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. And I let mine get a little bit soft just so it's easier to mix up. You do want to try to use a high-powered blender if you can, if you have one. I'm using my Ninja today, and works really well. And then a half a cup, and I have a little more than a half a cup, but I'm going to add just a half a cup now, and then if I need to thin it out a little bit, I have a little extra. This is unsweetened almond milk. You can also use unsweetened coconut milk if you want. Completely up to you. And this is 3 tablespoons of sugar-free peppermints that I've smashed. And don't worry about getting them super fine because the blades will take care of that for you. This is sugar-free white chocolate chips. I'm using Lily's, and this is 2 tablespoons. And then 1 tablespoon of Lily's dark chocolate chips. And that's it. See, just a few ingredients. And blend it up. All right. Now the way I like to serve it, in a glass. You can see it's so pretty. It's a pretty pink color. And then you can see all the little chips, especially the dark chocolate chips. And I like to add, now you can, this is completely optional, but I do like to add a little bit of whipped cream, and I whip this up just before filming. You can use store-bought if you like, if you can find a clean version. And then I also like to sprinkle a little bit. I reserved some of the crushed peppermint just to put over the top. Make it a little extra pretty. And a little fancy straw. And there you go. Look how nice that is. And let's give it a taste. It is delicious. I could drink that every day of the week. And you don't have to wait for the holidays to make this. These ingredients are available all year long. What I love about this is everything is keto friendly. I love Chick-fil-A. It's one of my favorite places, but if you've ever looked at the ingredients, it's not the best. There's a lot of ingredients in there that you can't even pronounce. So it's really not good for you, and it's not healthy. But it's such a nice combination of flavors, and just nice and festive. You can also serve these in little glasses, little shot glasses if you want, however you like. But I hope you give it a try. It's definitely worth making, and you saw it took 2 minutes to make. And if you do give it a try, let me know. And I will see you next time, and thanks for watching.